Hello guys, today I will teach you how to ripen banana using a nature-wide way. First, we need to prepare our bananas this way. In this way, we will use this plant, which I honestly don't know its name, to speed up the ripening process. I think grandmoms know more about the name of this plant. We need to prepare our herbs this way before using it. Next, we need to make a hole inside the soil like you see in this video. After this, we need to prepare our branches like this. Then we have to set those branches on fire. After the fire has completely subsided, we have to start putting the herbs over it like this. And we put our bananas on the top of those herbs. Then we try to cover it very well with the rest of the herbs. And then we set it on fire again, cause this high temperature will help the process. Come back to it in a few days and you will find it mature.